All right, the triads. So anything times 0 is 0. So really we know that this is going to equal 0. But to double check, we can do 8 times 15. 20, and it would be negative because it's a negative times a positive. And then times 0, and we know anything times 0 is just 0. For b, we have to do exponents first. So this is saying 3 times 3, which is 9. And so 24 minus 9 gives us 15. Then we are going to do what's in the inside of the parentheses. 3 minus 5 is actually 3. Keep, change to addition, and then it's the opposite of your second number. So this is 5 minus 3, which is 2, be negative, times negative 7. And the reason I said times negative 7 is because it's 10 minus 7, yes. But that 7, it has a negative hook to it. And so we have to complete this first. And so 7 times 7 is 14, but we have it'll be a positive because a negative times a negative is a positive. So then 10 plus 14 equals